Nagbabalik ang Twist and Shout, and since special episode tayo today because we have school organizations participating, I will do the honors of introducing this man. He, like me, is also from LaSalle.
Animo!
He is our musical director and a great friend indeed, Mel Villena and
The band on the run.
Look at that, Mel Villena.
Wow! Help me! Help me! Give me some love! Our professors, not our judge, our professors for this episode anyway, please say hello to Isa Seguera, Jimmy Bondok, and our very special professor of all professors, Ako Isidro.
Isidro.
Like that? All right. So to the UE Chorale,
There they are.
it's so nakakalambing yung mga acronym, no? Yung UE, UE. What happened? Kasi UE. And then PUP. Pop. Anyway, having said that.
Yun ang kinanta natin kanina.
What?
This must be...
Pop. See, all right.
Tama.
Ang weapons of mass distraction
What
natin
are they?
ngayong gabi. Sweat. Stretch and wet. Doesn't even rhyme. Okay.
Kaya alamin na natin who will go first. Ito na ang twist coin.
Ito, Martin or Gary?
You
Gary
choose.
or Martin. Ready? Get set, go! Who?
Gary. Okay, blue team gets Gary. Oh! Wait, they didn't choose. But anyway,
Who else is there to choose
wala
from?
silang choice.
Oh my God!
Okay,
Ready?
go!
1, 2. It's Gary!
Oh! It's me.
So, it wants to make you
Again?
the PUP, University PUP, or PUP, University or PUP, the school, the poppers.
Blue team.
They go first!
That's right.
Right?
O sige, handa na ba kayo?
But that's good.
Simulan na natin yung showdown.
sige.
Our first weapon of mass distraction ay ang The Running Machine.
The running and singing begins with this member of the PUP Blue Team.
Isa si Ron sa mga die-hard fans ng AGs. Sabi niya, inspired daw siya ng banda.
Ron is very active in his school and is known in PUP not just as a singer, but a stage actor as well.
To sing Maling Akala, palakpakan natin si Ron of the PUP Bagong Himig Serenata Blue Team.
Let's move it! Move it! All right, Ron. Go with the timing, buddy. Go with the timing. Take your time. What's the rush, dude? Children nowadays, they're always in a rush.
Bagong maniwala, isip-isip ka muna na marami ang mamata sa maling akala.
Here's Ron.
Mus pala
Blue team.
takot sa ako. Ako'y naging binata, paglasot ako. Ngayon ay may asawa, ang pamilya.
Hold on, baby.
Wala namang
Do it for the school.
Go!
Do it for the school. Got the rhythm. Stay.
Go, Ron!
You can do it, Ron. Hold on. Oh, God. Ron, are you okay, Ron? You have all your teeth? Can someone get Ron's teeth, please? Ron's teeth are now at a recess.
Ibang klaseng fighting Ibang klaseng fighting spirit to dahil sa umpisa, ang bagal-bagal pero tumatakbo na si Ron hanggang sa dulo tumatakbo pa rin. Fighting out from the red corner, si Orlando.
Orly is a senior member of the UE Chorale but was once a band vocalist of a band named Metal Band.
Hindi lang pang singing, pang kusina din. Marami daw siyang mga eksperimentong luto na patok sa inyong panlasa.
To sing about a very, 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 very friendly ghost.
A gay ghost.
A gay ghost.
Okay.
Multong bakla. Please welcome, is it Orly or Orlando?
Arlie.
Orly of the UE Chorale Red Team. Let's move it. Move it. UE.
묻어 sa paligid Ika'y 묻어 sa paligid
Legs straight, legs straight. Oh, we got it. Orly.
Good job. Nako, Martin, mukhang mahihirapan ang mga judges na to. Alright, panoorin natin ulit ang naging performances nila sa round 1. Check this out.
All right. Aisa, will you start, please?
Una pa lang, song choices, pareho kayong maganda. Pareho kayong may magandang facial reactions. Parehong bagay. Kasi yung itsura ni Ron, parang takot siya doon sa biyanan niya. Si Orlando naman parang takot sa gay ghost. So, in fairness, naalala ko si Ron nirequesta sa'yo, Orlando, ng mga bata pa siya. Sorry, I just had to say. Okay, so ang 1 point ko ay mapupunta sa'yo, Orlando, ng red team.
Okay. 1 point
Okay.
for the red
More
team.
rounds.
Jimmy.
Alam mo, you both chose the perfect songs. Ang ganda ng kanta, equally funny. Pareho kayong bagay yung boses nyo dun sa kanta. Pipiliin ko yung tao na parang mas naghabol ng entertainment at hindi lang nag-focus dun sa pagtakbo. Halos pantay, pero lamang ng isang kalahating paligo si Orly. Orly of the Red Team.
Oh!
Wow.
Second point for the red team.
Okay, back to the Jim
Agot.
Carrey.
I love the energy here in the studio. Talagang parang feeling bagets lang tayo. Feeling mga kalihiyala and kalihiyalo. Yan. Anyway, Ron, talagang we were rooting for you dahil ang tagal mo sa treadmill eh. Di ba? Bongga! Pero nung dumating si Orlando, nung una, sabi ko, bakit ba bakla? Oo nga pala, multong bakla. Di ba meron kang ganong entrance? So merong, actually, may storya yung pagkanta mo, yung buong performance mo. So sa akin, parang mas napuno ako ng, hindi ako nakulangan kay Orlando. Kaya my point goes to Orlando.
Alright.
That's okay. Don't you worry about it.
First round. Ang blue team nakakuha ng 0 points. Ang red team nakakuha ng 3 points. Pero alam mo, sandali lang. Alam mo, Martin, tinanong ko yung mga iba sa PUP. Tinanong ko kung pinapanood nila yung show natin. Sabi nila, yes. So alam nila na may round 2, may round 3 pa. At kayang-kayang ng mga PUP yan. And all of that is going to take place when we come back right here on Twist and Show! Shake it!